एक जैसा दिखता है, एक जैसा पकता है, लेकिन असली फर्क यही है। हमने इसमें 9 तरह के विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स मिलाए हैं। एनर्जी के लिए विटामिन B12, ताकत के लिए आयरन, इम्यूनिटी के लिए जिंक। सर्टिफाइड, टेस्टेड। आज की इंडियन फैमिलीज के लिए बनाया गया है। साधारण चावल मत चुनिए, सही चुनाव कीजिए। पंचामृत फोर्टिफाइड राइस।
Whatever the moment, there's a Mustafa look for it.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन. आयज आमी पाविल्ली आसा मिरामार, पण थंयच्यान आमी वतली राजस्थान, आनी थंयच्यान मागीर आमी वतली गुजरात, आनी थंयच्यातल्यान आमी वतली बॉम्बे, आनी मागीर कर्नाटका, आनी थंयच्यातल्यान मागीर आमी पावतली गोंयान. पूण इतल्या सगळ्या कडेन आमी भोंवतली विथआउट टिकेट. तुमकांय पळोवपाक जाय? येयात तर. सो आयज आमी आयिल्ली आसा कॅफे मीरा. वीस वर्सां फाटली 20 वर्सां जाणें मार्केटान आपले एक ट्रस्टेड ब्रँड म्हणून नांव घडयल्लें आसा. तें म्हणल्यार पंचामृता इंडस्ट्रीज प्रायवेट लिमिटेड, आनी तांच्याच मार्फत प्रुडंट मिडिया चॅनल तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येता ही टेस्ट बराची कार्यावळ. आनी हांव मानसी केरकार म्हज्या मोगाळ पळोवप्यांक सगळ्यांक ह्या कार्यावळीच्या ह्या सेगमेंटाक हांव सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता. तर आयज आमच्या मदीं आसतली कॅफे मिराची ओनर, जाणी कॅफे मिरा हो कॉन्सेप्ट घडयलो, ती म्हणल्यार राधिका शाह-तिम्लो.
I'm a Gujarati. All Gujaratis love their chaat. One puri in your mouth and you can see how all the flavors just explode. That I want to open like a chaat ki dukan. Spice levels vary from individual to individual, from state to state, from house to house. See, Indian food has to be also eaten with the hand. तो ही मजा आता है. I have one foot in Goa. My husband's Goan. I love Goa as much as I love Bombay. Both are homes for me. I love the Hindu Goan Saraswat food. I make a very good ambadi churda made. Radhika would have been an entrepreneur, if not with Mira, with something else.
सॉरी एक मेन गजाल तुमकां हांव सांगपाक विसरलें. आयचो हो आमचो सुंदरसो जो आउटफीट आसा जो तुमी पळयतात, तो आमकां स्पॉन्सर केल्लो आसा मुस्तफा कलेक्शन मडगांव हांणी. खूब बेस्ट आसा न्ही, आय नो, आनी खूब कम्फर्टेबलूय आसा. सो आनी हांव वेळ आतां काडना, कारण म्हाका खूब भूक लागिल्ली आसा. सो हांव आतां कॅफे मिरान, तुमी येयात म्हज्या बरोबर. आयज आमच्या मदीं एक स्पेशल गेस्ट आसा. टुडे वी आर हॅविंग विथ अस अ मोस्ट स्पेशल गेस्ट ऑफ दिस सेगमेंट, that is Miss Radhika Shah-Timblo. Hi ma'am.
Hi, lovely to meet you, Mansi.
Yes.
I'm so glad you all came. Talk about the cafe and about my journey. I'm very happy.
Indeed ma'am. So we want to know more about Café Mira, like how it started. So let's hear it from you.
So Café Mira started as an idea.
Okay.
I had a corporate job. I moved to Goa 17, 18 years ago when I married my husband.
Okay.
And I moved to Goa. I started Café Mira in the year 2019.
2019.
Yes, so it'll be 7 years.
7 years.
Yes, the seventh year is on. Will be completed, sorry, in September.
Okay.
Started as an idea. I'm a home cook. I love food. I love eating food. I love trying out new food. And when I moved here, I just saw that there's a dearth of great chaat places, because I'm a Gujarati.
Oh.
And as a Gujarati, all Gujaratis love their chaat.
Okay.
You know, you come to any Gujarati house,
Okay.
in the freezer there'll always be chutneys. So bhel, sev puri will always be served to you.
Okay.
So anyway, I started with the notion that I want to open like a chaat ki dukan.
Oh.
Whenever I quit my corporate job.
Okay.
So yes, it started in 2019 with that notion. The menu initially was all vegetarian.
Okay.
And I was heavily inspired by a cafe in Bombay called Swati Snacks.
Swati Snacks in Bombay.
Yes.
Okay.
and that was my inspiration.
Okay.
So the food is reminiscent of that space, but we've added obviously our own touches to it. We've added a few of our own menu, own
Okay.
dishes. Our chaats obviously are mainstay, but when we progress, we have got many more dishes that we've added to the menu. So that's how it started as an idea, which finally gained fruition, and here I am 7 years later talking to you.
Talking to me about Café Mira. But how come this name is so similar to Miraman? Because I know there is some story behind this too.
Yes, so Mira we were two of us.
Okay.
And we started together.
Okay.
Last year we decided to part ways. She had her own journey, I have my own journey.
Okay.
And Mira is also my best friend's daughter's name.
Oh.
I love the name Mira.
Okay.
Mira is in Miramar. It's easy to pronounce, it's easy to remember.
Okay.
And because the food that I serve is Indian
Yeah.
and snacky, Mira resonates with that.
But when I had seen your menu, it is comprising of all the Indian dishes. There are no pizzas, there are no pastas, and there is no fancy items which are
Yes.
placed on that menu. Any reasons, specific reasons for that?
Yes, my idea to start Mira was to open an Indian snacky restaurant, a cafe.
Okay. That's
And
really a
hence-
nice thought.
And hence I said that there are enough places that do pizzas, pastas. I love pizza, pasta.
Okay.
I do love it.
Okay.
But I love my chaat more.
Okay.
And I love my dosas as much. I love my pav bhaji.
Okay.
So I wanted to start a place that offers customers this kind of food
Okay.
in an environment that is hygienic. The food that I grew up eating.
Okay.
I wanted to share it with Goa, and hence the cafe has Indian items.
Okay.
And as I said, that it's not like I dislike pizza. I love them. I cook a lot of pasta at home.
Even I love pizza pasta.
I love, but there's a space for pizza and there's a space for chaat.
Yes.
And there are enough people who do different things. And so my
Definitely.
forte at Mira is to provide great Indian snacky food.
So what in-house like Mira is storing for us today?
We have a dish which is Rajasthan's most famous, known dish, dal bati churma.
Dal bati churma.
Yes. So that I will showcase.
Okay.
Then we have the kachoris.
Kachoris.
The famous Jaipur kachoris. The
Okay.
pyaz kachoris and the dal kachoris. Another very famous, prominent food item would be gatta.
Gatta.
Gatta are basin dumplings. So a lot of people know gatta as gatta ki sabzi or gatta
Yes,
ki
gatte
kadi.
ki- gatta
Gatte
ki-
ki sabzi,
gatte
gatte
ki
ki
sabzi.
kadi. But what I
Yes.
have done is I have put the gatta in a rice-based dish. So it's
Okay.
gatte ka pulao with a
Okay.
dahi kadi. So there are many dishes, but just to give you a snippet of that,
Yes.
my customers and my Café Mira family will
Okay.
get to taste the dishes that I have curated.
Okay, so can we have it?
Of
right
course,
now?
of course. Let's get the gatta, please. Let's get all the Rajasthani fare.
What's in the house?
So let's begin with, this is the gatta
Wow.
ka pulao
But
with
I can say the best thing about Indian food, it gives you a color plate.
yeah, and you know what we have done is we've made them all into mini meals rather than
Okay.
having a big thali. So this is the famous
Okay.
dal bati churma.
This is, I guess, the famous dal bati
churma, and that is gatta, and we have the
Kachoris.
kachoris.
Nice.
So this is the gatta, and what we've done is we've curated mini meals. So rather than
Okay.
having one big thali, which is also very filling for a lot of people.
Okay.
And Rajasthani food is not diet food.
Oh.
Definitely not. So when
But
you come for
is
Rajasthani
it true,
food,
is it true? I'm so sorry for
Yes.
interrupting. But is it true that people say that Rajasthani food is kind of a very spicy and we cannot have it? But is it true?
no, that's not true. See, spice levels vary from individual to individual, from state to state, from house to house.
Okay.
So I am someone who is not a firm. I don't go well with spice.
Okay.
So my food is, the spice levels have been toned down, and you
Okay.
can always add in the spice, but it's very difficult to reduce the spice once the spice levels come. And
about
Rajasthani
this?
food is not
Okay.
necessarily spicy. Heavy, yes, because of the state they are in. It's a desert state.
Yes.
Extreme temperatures, very hot summers, very cold winters. So
Yes.
and because of the arid region, you don't get the vegetables that we
Yes.
get.
Yes.
Hence, the food is a lot of millets, a lot of grains. So hence the food is heavy.
The one which has the most shelf life.
Yes, of course, you have to preserve the food because
Yes.
also they,
Okay.
I mean, when the Rajputs used to go fight, they would carry food with them for days.
Okay.
And hence the food had to be preserved. Yes, so you
Okay.
are right in that extent, with
So-
that context.
So I know this food is really distracting me from the interview. I'm so sorry. So
No, so what
can
we've
we-
done, so in dal
Okay.
bati, so you have the gatta, you have the dahi kadhi. What we've
Okay.
also done is fresh haldi sabzi.
Haldi sabzi.
Fresh haldi sabzi, a
Okay.
very famous Rajasthani garlic chutney.
Okay.
We have the kacha keri ka achar,
Okay.
chash to cool down, and moong dal papad. These are all staples of Rajasthan.
Okay. So
Moong dal,
what is the first thing which we can try?
we can try the dal bati churma. So
Okay.
basically you have
But there is a
the
procedure,
bati.
I guess,
There is a
right?
process of doing this.
Okay.
So you have the bati which is made of atta.
Okay.
Basically they are baked atta dough balls.
Okay.
But having said that, they have to have lots of ghee in it because it's a
Okay.
heavy dish.
Okay.
It has to digest in your stomach.
Okay.
So you take the bati, you crumble it, put it in the panchmel dal, which is
Okay.
five dal,
5 millets or something.
five different dals
Millets.
which have been made into a dal.
Okay.
The churma again is basically made of atta.
Okay.
It's meetha.
Okay.
So one crumbles the bati into the dal, adds in the churma, adds more ghee. There's a garlic chutney. There's
Okay.
gur, and then to basically after 3-4 spoons you need to douse. You have to have some chash to let the food digest well.
ओके सो एक व्हडलो प्रोसेस जितलो व्हडलो प्रोसेस करपाचो आसा तितलो व्हडलो प्रोसेस तो खावपाचोय आसा आनी तातूनच तर खरो फ्लेवर येता अशें आमकां दिसता सो आमी आनी मात्तूय वेळ वगडायनासतना लेट्स हॅव अ बाईट ऑफ
Come on, why not? Why not? Why not? So let's
Okay.
take this.
ओके
Let's take this, crumble it.
ओके
You have to, let's break it into small pieces. This is the bati, as you can see.
ओके
You can, yes, mix it.
डोंट जज मी फॉर दिस बट आकाने तोडपाक सुद्दां इतले मनान येना
Then we can have some churma, which is we mix the churma with this, on this.
ओके
I'm going a little heavy on the churma because I love it.
ओके
So yes, and then you can dig in. You want to put some garlic chutney, you can have it on the side. Have the papad as the crunch.
ओके बट
So-
दे इवन हैव आई गेस द पापड़ की सब्जी और समथिंग
They have papad mangodi,
ओके
ki sabzi, and they have also something called kher sangi. So yeah, so let's dig in.
यस
Let's dig in for the dal bati churma. So you can see the sweetness, the savouriness, and the heavy, and not the heaviness, but the crunch of the bati.
यस डेफिनेटली इट्स टेस्टी
And let's have some papad,
यस दिस इज माय
moong
फेवरेट
dal papad,
हाँ दिस इज मूंग दाल पापड़
moong dal papad. You must try the garlic chutney.
यस डेफिनेटली
And
Yes,
have some
certain-
chash so that your food gets digested. It's cooling.
Nice, the taste is.
Thank you. And yeah, these are the famous kachoris of Rajasthan. The
Okay.
dal kachoris.
And I guess this is a
These are meetha chutney
This is
and
my
the green chutney.
green chutney.
So if you want, please try, break one, and
Yes, and I can see the delicious filling which is coming out from that.
please dip it. You're supposed to eat it. See, Indian food has to be also eaten with the hand. तो ही मजा आता है
असली मजा
हाथ से
ही
खाने
में
का.
आता
हाथ से खाने का.
है. Nice. It's good.
Thank you. Also the gatta, what we've done is basically used panchamrut rice. So that helps us, gives us a good flavor. And we also use the panchamrut pink salt.
Okay. But I just wanted to know, like two corporates starting one venture that's known as a Café Mira.
Yes.
But what was that moment when you decided? It must always have been on your life's bucket list.
Yes, it was. So you're so right on that. I've always wanted to open a cafe, even though I'm not a trained chef. I am a home cook. But the thought of opening a cafe has been in my mind for almost the last 20 years.
Okay.
I'm like, there's a romantic element. It's like almost like, your child, your third child. I mean, I have 2 boys already, but like a third child, or probably the second husband. I don't know. But yes, so I've always wanted to have a cafe.
Okay.
I was working in a corporate job.
Okay.
I was selling alcohol for a living. And when my kids, I have twin boys, and when they turned 3, I was like, I need to do something with myself in terms of my own entrepreneurship.
Okay.
I didn't want to work for someone. So hence I took a sabbatical, and that's when I started focusing and ruminating on, okay, what can I do? What can I do? How do I open this cafe? What do I do? And one thing I knew, I didn't know where I'm going to open. I didn't know what I was going to call it. I didn't have that plan, but I knew what I was going to serve.
Okay.
So I'm very clear that
So
I
you
want
had a clear one.
to do Indian snacky food. And the food that I grew up with, the food that takes me back home, and hence I'm hoping that the same food takes my customers back down memory lane, nostalgia, takes them back to their home, because our food is, it's simple, it's unpretentious, and really I've had customers, and many of them who have become friends tell me that, we just, it transported us back to where we grew up, and how my grandmother used to serve the kothambir vadi, or how this gatta ka pulao I used to have, and I visited Rajasthan, or the Jaipur kachori. My God, it is really to die for. So yes, and when you hear such comments, you just feel, okay, I think I've done something right.
Definitely. So it's a time for a short break until I take advantage of
Yes.
of this break.
Yeah, let's
and
dig in. Let's dig in.
Yes, let's dig in. इतल्या सगळ्या जेवणाचो आस्वाद आम्ही घेता, पण वेळ जालो आसा एका ल्हान आणि ल्हानशा विसवाचो. तेन्ना पंचामृता इंडस्ट्रीज प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड प्रुडंट मिडिया चॅनलाच्या ह्या टेस्ट बड कार्यावळीत एक ल्हानशा विसवा उपरांत परत आम्ही मेळटा. पळयत रावात.
From the house of Panchamrita.
पंचामृता इंडस्ट्रीज प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड प्रुडंट मिडिया चॅनलाच्या टेस्टबड कार्यावळीत मानसी केरकार परत एक फाटी तुमकां येवकार दिता. आमी आसा कॅफे मिरा, मिरामारच्या कॅफे मिरान, आनी आमच्या बरोबर आसा राधिकाबाय. आनी राधिकाबायन आमकां राजस्थानची थाली टेस्ट करपाक दिली. पण आतां राधिकाबायन आमच्या खातीर अनेक मेजवानी मुखार दवरल्या. राधिकाबाय, मे वी नो अबाउट दिस?
Yes, so what we did earlier was a Rajasthani thing. Rajasthani, the food is not my mainstay. I do these festivals every few months, where I basically have food from different parts of the state, different parts of the country, sorry. As India is so diverse. But Café Mira essentially serves snacky Indian food. We specialize in chaats, we specialize in dosas, we have the best filter coffee in town.
I would love
coffee
to
in
taste.
town. We have to try, you have to try this, and
Yes.
you will. And we do a lot of mini meals, like mainly Bombay centric meals, like the pav bhaji, the misal pav, the vada pav.
Nice.
And we have, because I have one foot in Goa, my husband's Goan. I love Goa as much as I love Bombay. Both are homes for me.
Okay.
So we also give freshly made Goan snacky food, like the ross omelette, the katre pav, the chicken cutlet pav.
Nice.
So we do a lot of the Goan chicken chili.
Wow.
So yes, so we have a narrative of street food from the streets of Goa to the streets of Bombay.
Okay. So from this I can make out that Radhika is a fond of chaats.
I love chaat.
Yes.
And
So-
growing up Gujarati,
Okay.
chaat was it's like second, like it's like my second skin.
So can I say that it's your comfort food that if
It is my comfort
if
food.
if at the 3 a.m. I tell you to Radhika, let's go and I have a chaat, so you will be coming.
I'll be
with
like,
me.
I'll bring you to Mira.
Okay, nice.
I'll say, let's come to Mira for chaat. The
Yes.
best chaat I'll give you here.
So Tinan Sudha Mira Cafe Mira ऊपर जाओ शकता chaat.
We'll open it specially.
Yes.
So yes, so what we have here is one of my favorite chaats, the dahi puri.
Okay.
I love this chaat because you can just put one puri in your mouth and you can see how all the flavors just explode. You
Yes.
have the sweetness of the dahi.
Okay.
You have the khatash of
Okay.
basically the meetha chutney, which is khata meetha. You have the crunch of the sev. And yes, you just have to try it
Okay.
to believe what I say.
But before beginning with this tasting session, I would love to ask you, according to you, what is like sounds like a perfect chaat for the one which I can call as a Radhika's chaat?
Oh my God, my perfect chaat, you're making it very difficult for me to say my perfect chaat, but since this is in front of me,
Yes.
I think this would probably be my perfect chaat.
Okay, so then
Let's dig in.
Yes,
Come on, let's dig in.
Yes.
Please, you have to take the whole thing and eat it.
Please show.
So yes,
Okay.
come on. One,
1,
two,
2,
and
and 3.
Yes. Try to, the flavors burst in your mouth.
It's so yummy. Can I have one more?
You can have many and more.
You can also have with me.
Why not?
Let me have a glance of it. Last packet. So 1, 2, and 3.
So Mansi, as I tell you, only this country of ours is capable of producing the most delicious food.
We have a range of flavors.
Yeah.
Starting from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we have a range
Amazing.
of flavors.
So, and even chaat. I mean, the chaat I'm feeding you is a chaat from Bombay, the Gujarati style. You have the chaat
Okay.
which is from Delhi, from Calcutta, from Lucknow. All of them have their own different flavors.
I can see that. Radhika, if you wouldn't have been an entrepreneur like this, what Radhika would be? What would
Radhika would have been an entrepreneur, if not with Mira, with something else.
Okay, so you would be. So let's talk about your journey.
Yes.
So from a corporate session, you've just moved on to another session. That is a
Yes.
culinary session.
Yes.
So there must have been, and in one of your interview, you said it like you have to learn to learn something. You
Yes.
said something like that.
Yeah.
So what was the major challenge you have faced when you started with the Café Mira?
So you have to, what I meant was that starting a cafe is not easy. I mean,
Yes.
it's not easy for anyone. Even for a chef, it's not easy because there are challenges. You have to ensure, one thing you have to do is when you run a cafe, you have to be humble. And when I mean humble, I don't mean like in terms of like make sure that you grovel or something. Humble as in you to understand that any business, it takes a village to say raise a child, including my cafe. Yes, I have conceptualized the idea, I have put in the money, I have curated the menu, I have a team that I have hired, but I need the team as much as the team needs me. If it weren't for my front team and my back team,
Okay.
I would not be able to produce the food that I'm producing. So I have to, when you work for someone else, you're an employee. But when you are your own boss, a lot of the learnings, as I said, unlearn them because then you're handling everything from the finances to the accounting to the auditing to planning things. So it's like literally you're controlling the business yourself.
Okay.
And there are a lot of obstacles, there are a lot of challenges that come. People leave, people go, it rains, cats and dogs. I mean, you know, you have sometimes where a customer gets upset with something, you have a person in the back who gets upset with something, so you have to be
that's a
the
major
friend,
issues.
to be a philosopher, you have to be the
You have to be a
counselor,
multifaceted as well as a multi.
and you have to be, but at the end you have to be the boss.
Yes.
So yes, there have been a lot of learnings and challenges, but I can say that I am still going at it. I'm strong. I love what I do, and the best thing is when I put a smile on someone's face, They say the way to a person's heart is through food or through the stomach.
Definitely,
So when I do that and I see customers who come back and say that, my God, we just love coming back and we love what you do. We love the space. And I'm like, okay, so I'm doing something right.
So the ambience is great over here. That's why I guess the people like love to step in again and again in your cafe. So one more thing, you are hailing from Bombay.
Yes.
And there was a sudden shift from a Bombay to Goa,
Yes.
and that's from a urban to rural side. Here, like urbanization is there in Goa, but the one thing which I believe is you have to be accepted by the food.
Yes.
To be in certain region, you have to be accepted by the food, and you should accept that food.
Yes.
So, was there anything which was going in your mind?
No, not really. So when I moved to Goa, which is in 2009,
Okay.
so Goa was still not the Goa that it is today. Still quite modern compared. My husband would say that he's son of the soil. So in his case, he was like, Goa has changed. I adapted to the Goan food. I love the Hindu Goan Saraswat food.
Wow.
I have eaten a lot of it at pujas and at people's houses.
So
one
which
of
one-
my favorite.
Okay, that was
One
I
of
was
my
coming
favorites would be the ambadechi uddamethi.
Amade Chudamiti.
I love I make a very good ambadechi uddamethi. But the thing is that I only like ambadechi uddamethi with ambade. I can't eat uddamethi with anything else.
Okay.
I don't like pineapple. I don't like any of them. I like karate raite. I love karate raite. Again, one of my favorites, mogachi gathi.
Mugachi Gati.
So
Nice.
I, of course, have imbibed that, and I think, just as you said, food accepts you, and you accept the food.
Yes.
So-
So any more festivals coming?
Yes. So what we do is we have started doing festivals since we opened. We bring in different states to Café Mira. Now, just before Ganesh, we will do a Shravan Thali.
Shravan Thali.
Which
Wow.
will be what I suggest, what I named a few dishes, so we'll have those. So
Okay.
that will also be a part of thali, which I will let you know.
We are
Stay
waiting
tuned for
the-
further updates.
Yes, and we are waiting for the same, and I guess our guests are also waiting for the
Yes.
same. And so the last question of this segment,
Yes.
now you are a part of Goa and Goa is a part of you. So Susegado and the Susegad word has been imbibed by us, by a Goan. So according to you, what's a perfect Susegad Sunday?
I like Susegad as a word. I mean, I'm going to be a little serious because I think Susegad is misused a lot. I think
Yes.
Susegad is a state of mind.
A relaxed state of mind.
I don't think it's to do with Susegad in terms of just chill on the beach and have a beer or do that. I think Susegad is how you feel, and Goa makes you feel that.
Okay.
Goa relaxes you mentally, and to me that is Susegad. So I can be in my cafe, I can work, run, serve every customer.
Okay.
But my state of mind is
Okay.
chill,
Okay.
and that is my definition of Susegad.
So
It's a
that's-
state of mind.
Yes,
It's
and
a
I'm
feeling.
perfect. And what about Sunday? A Susegad
Sunday, I'm working on Sunday.
Ah.
So as I said, Susegad
That's
is
a quality of a workaholic.
I'm working. No, it's not workaholic. I run a cafe. It's my baby. As I said, it's my third child.
You have to mother it.
I
Yes,
have
you
to
have
mother
to
my
nurture it.
baby and nurture it.
Yes.
But yes, my Sundays otherwise, apart from the cafe, are spent with family, of course.
Okay.
We normally have lunch at my in-laws' house, which is a lovely family lunch. And after lunch, then we do the real Susegad. All of us plonk on different parts of the sofa and just relax after eating a very, very heavy lunch.
Definitely.
And then evenings, maybe go for a movie, go for dinner. But yes, it is nice, meet friends. And Goa lets you do that. The luxury of staying in Goa is that it gives you a great balance of the work life and leisure.
Yes, so Goa gives you a perfect set of a balance, and that's how we end this segment.
No, one sec. We have
Yes.
to have the filter coffee.
Oh.
As I said, it's the best filter coffee in town. So yes, so as I said that Café Mira serves the best filter coffee, and I want you to try a filter coffee. It's authentic, and what we serve the coffee with is little tiny murukus, which you will love.
Oh,
Chaklis.
chaklis.
Coming with also the narrative of the Goan snack. One of our best sellers is the chicken kafrial katre pav,
ओके
and you must try that.
ओके
So yes, dig in, Mansi.
येस सो हांव हाजो आस्वाद घेता पंचामृता इंडस्ट्रीज प्रायवेट लिमिटेड टेस्ट बर्ड्स ह्या कार्यावळीचो हो भाग हांव राधिका बाय बरोबर हांगाच सोंपयता आनी तुमी पळयत रावात पूण सद्याक म्हजें लक्ष ह्या कॉफीचेर आसा सो लेट्स टेस्ट इट ओके इट्स रीच इट्स फ्रॉथी एंड इट्स टेस्टी
हांगासर मिनिमम 6 वर्सां जाल्या हांगासर काम करता.
कॅफे मिरान म्हाका आवडले आनी आमचे ओनरय बरे आमकां मॅडम खूब सपोर्ट करता.
मेरा कैफे एक गोवा का तो बेस्ट ब्रांच है मेरे हिसाब से. तो प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी, साफ सफाई वगैरह बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे अच्छी रखी जाती है.
छुप छुप के छुप छुप के छुप छुप के छुप 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 के छुप 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 के छुप 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 के छुप 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 के छुप 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 के.
अरे आप लोग ऐसे छुप छुप के क्यों खा रहे हो?
बीवी तला हुआ खाने नहीं देती.
तो बीबी को बोलो पंचामृत के वुडन कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल से खाना पकाए. नेचुरल प्रोसेस से बने ये सब तेल सेहत के लिए पोषक है. कुछ भी खाओ लेकिन हेल्दी खाओ. हेल्दी यानी
पंचामृत.